Vidyodaya News. Kerala Piravai was observed at our school under the leadership of Vidyodaya Cultural Club. Karuna Das K of 10th standard delivered a talk. Linnea R of 4th standard sang a song. 62 9th standard girls rendered songs. Ambraja R of 7th standard and Suraj Krishna of 8th standard presented their charts. On November 14, some of our teachers and students attended Children's Day celebration organized by District Council for Child Welfare Palakkad. The function was inaugurated by Srimati Alpha SKS, Deputy Collector. The procession was flagged off by Sri Krishnangutti Secretary, District Council for Child Welfare Palakkad. Our District Education Officer Palakkad Sri Asif alias KS was also the guest of honor at the function. He released a Children's Day stamp along with other dignitaries. It is with great delight let us share the happy news that Ritika S of 3rd standard got an opportunity to deliver the welcome address.
നാളത്തെ നായകരും സൃഷ്ടാക്കളുമായ ശിശുക്കളുടെ പ്രാധാന്യവും മഹത്വവും നന്നായി മനസ്സിലാക്കിയ ഒരാളായിരുന്നു ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പ്രഥമ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി.
Collector and DO distributed prizes to the winners of Varnotsavam 2025.
നിങ്ങളോട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ വരാൻ സാധിച്ചതിൽ ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരുടെ മുഖത്തും ആ ഒരു ആഹ്ലാദം കാണാനും സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ശരിക്കും ആ ഒരു പ്രചോദനം ഈ കുഞ്ഞു കുട്ടികളിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്.
സ്വാഗതം അധ്യക്ഷനും മുഖ്യ പ്രഭാഷണവും എല്ലാം കുട്ടികൾ തന്നെ ചെയ്തത് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. പ്രഭാഷണം എല്ലാം ചെയ്ത സ്വാഗതം അധ്യക്ഷനും മുഖ്യപ്രഭാഷണവും അതുപോലെ എല്ലാം ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികളുടെ കലാവിരുദ്ധ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കഴിവെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് പ്രത്യേകം എടുത്തു പറയേണ്ട കാര്യം തന്നെയാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ചിൽഡ്രൻസ് ഡേ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഏത് വർഷത്തിലാണ് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ജവഹർ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ആണ്. പേരെന്താണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കൂൾ ഏതാണ്? വിദ്യോദയ കരിപ്പോട് ആണോ? കരിപ്പോട്. ഒരു നല്ല കയ്യടി.
It was a proud moment for all of us to receive the overall trophy from the DO Sir Asif Aliya KA Sir and Sri Krishnangutti Sir, the Secretary of District Council for Child Welfare Palakkad, and Lavanya R of 7th standard proposed a vote of thanks in this function.
ജില്ലാ ശിശുക്ഷേമ സമിതിയുടെ ആഭിമുഖ്യത്തിൽ ഇന്ന് നടന്ന ശിശുദിനാഘോഷവും റാലിയും ഇന്നത്തെ ദിവസത്തെ കൂടുതൽ വർണ്ണാഭമാക്കി.
Kerala Bhadrasagyam Kollangoad Union Sargotsavam 2025 was held at our school on November 15th. Many students from various units participated in the competition. It was a delightful experience to all of us. The program commenced with prayer, followed by welcome address by Vidyodaya Unit Joint Secretary Sriya Sajid. Sri V.C. Kabir Mosh, ex-minister and writer, was our chief guest and he inaugurated our function. Sri K.K. Palashana Sir, writer and Kollangoad Union Rakshadhikari, our principal Usha teacher, Gandhi Darshan Samadhi State Secretary Sri Baiju Vadakkampuram Sir, Assistant Manager Sukumar Sir, HM Agatha teacher, other unit Sahagaris, judges also talked on the occasion. The function came to an end by the distribution of prizes to the winners. on 20th November by Vidyodaya Cultural Club. Adarsh V of 10th standard delivered a speech. Akshay S of 6th standard, Ishida S of 6th standard, Janisha S of 10th standard, and Sana Fatima of 9th standard performed mono act. Deepshika M and Vaiga M of 5th standard and Anfasis of 10th standard performed stand-up comedy. Diya Manoj of 6th standard presented charts. Afterwards, we had a wonderful fashion show by our Little Stars nursery section students. Constitution Day was observed on November 26 under the guidance of Vidyodaya Social Club. Anfasis of 10th standard delivered a talk. Ishida S of 6th standard read the preamble. 6th standard students presented charts. Baldrasagam Vidyodaya unit conducted mock election as part of Constitution Day. 4 AA cartoon candidates were created, namely Rico Rhythm, Pico Splash, Tuno Beat, and Dashu Drive. Students from 5th standard to 10th standard participated in this mock election. Campaigning, voting, counting, and declaration of results were done by the students. Dashu Drive won in this mock election. Altogether, it was a novel experience to all of us. It was an informative and entertaining activity. Palakkad Meghala organized Sargosam 2025 at Bharathamada HSS Palakkad. Those who received first and second prize in Union Sargosam could participate in the competition. Janisha S., Secretary, Palakkad Meghala, presided over the inaugural function and she delivered welcome address to Shankaran Chetan, representative of Palakkad. Sri Baby Joseph Sir, Rakshadhikaris of various unions, Sahagaris, also talked on the occasion. Several students from our school won various prizes. 3 students, Adanath P of 10th standard, Diya Manoj of 6th standard, and Anshika R of 5th standard won first prize in various events and they got selected to participate in state level competition. With this, we come to an end of Vidyodaya News Service. Thank you.